I tell you, Hindu leaders and Hindu sadhus inside India will not be able to raise their voice. They will be brutally destroyed. Only the international Hindus need to stand up and make international community understand this Hindu Holocaust, and let us bring this Hindu Holocaust to the international attention. Please let us do. Hindus outside India, please, I humbly request you all, let us bring international attention to this Hindu Holocaust. Let's bring this Hindu Holocaust to international attention. That is the only way we can save ourselves. The way we Hindus are being disorganized, we are minority internationally by number, and the way we are disorganized in both the ways. Internationally, we are minorities. Inside India, the way we are disorganized, we are minorities. Minority or majority should not be decided based on the number, but based on how organized they are. Ideologically, and different sampradayas and different caste, community, creed, language, because of all this, we are small groups. So we are actually minorities. And the so-called minority community is very well organized. The terrorist gang which came to destroy our ashram and destroyed our ashram, robbed our properties, killed, attempted to kill all of us, boldly giving press meet in national media. Because the whole ecosystem is anti-Hindu. They dump so much poison. On Hindus and Hindu sadhus and Hindu leaders. I sincerely request Hindus living outside India, please, let's take this Hindu Holocaust happening in India and other nations to international community's attention, including United Nations. World need to know what Hindus are going through. Hate speech, lawfare, and mob lynching, continuous persecution, this whole Hindu Holocaust, Hindu genocide happening, need to be told to the world. International human rights community, including United Nations, need to know this. We need to bring attention of the United Nations and international human rights organizations, international community to this Hindu Holocaust. We need to bring the attention of international human rights organizations and United Nations to this Hindu Holocaust and mob lynching happening continuously in India and elsewhere. I have so much more to tell, but I have to be in so much fear even now to utter every single word so carefully. Because now what kind of cases they will file on me, I don't know. Fake cases, false cases. Because I am giving voice for Hindus. I am raising my voice against anti-Hindu terrorists.